Now let us see where to write our programs, where to write C and C++ programs. So there are various IDs. You can use the IDs, and also you can practice your programs on online compiler. So I suggest you to better use online compilers, right? So if you face any difficulty, you can share the code and we can test it on same online compiler, and we can help you better. And also you can use the IDs. I will show you how to use the IDs in the next lectures. Okay. If you are already using some ID and comfortable with some ID like code blocks or dev C++ or Visual Studio, you can use it. All right. So now I will show you where to practice C++ programs online. So open Chrome browser and here type online GDB. Okay, online GDB. So don't select .com, don't select .com, just give space and say C++. Okay, don't directly go to .com, write online GDB C++. Okay, if you want to use C, you can use C also. So enter. Now the first link, that is online compiler and debugger for C and C++. Click on this one. So here you are on online GDB, right? There's a compiler. Now you can read it in the URL. It is online C++ compiler. All right. Now one important thing, on the right hand side, on the right hand top, you can see here C++ is selected, right? On the right hand side, C++ is selected. That is the reason I told you to type online GDB and C++. Then in Google search, it has already shown you C++ link. So we directly came here. Otherwise, if you want to change the language, you can change the language. You can select other languages also, like Java or C language or other languages. So there are various languages all available. So you can use this online compiler for various languages. All right. But we are using it for C++. So don't touch anything, just leave it, because already you have selected C++ compiler. And you can see that, so readily available, some piece of code is also available here. That is C++ code is available here. So it is a hello world program. It will print hello world. All right. So I don't have to type anything. This is a sample program is already available. Just click on run. It will run the code. Here it is at the bottom. It has shown the result, that is hello world. All right. Now, if you want to write something in your program, just as a sample, I will write down. Okay. So later we will be learning about this one. Okay. I'm not going to explain what I'm writing. Just I'm testing it. Enter two numbers, then scene, reading two numbers, X and Y, then Z assign X plus Y. I am writing a program for adding two numbers. So instead of hello world, I will just modify it. I'm not writing it separately. Sum is addition of two numbers is print Z. Now don't try to understand anything. Okay, just I have written something to demonstrate that you can write any program here. You don't have to touch anything, just inside the main function start writing a program. So I have written my code in main function. Now let us run it and see whether it will add two numbers or not. So it's asking me to enter two numbers. I'll give the first number as 10 and second number as 20, and the result is 30. Sum is 30. Yes, it is working perfectly. So that's it. This is a better place. All right. And if you find there are many compilers available, online compilers are available, you can practice anywhere you like. All right. So this is the way you can practice online. All right. And if you want to install ID, in the next lectures, you will find how to install ID on your machine. All right. So that's all in this lecture. So practice programs here in online gdb.com.